Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an around the house video, doing chores, cleaning up, just taking care of my home in general, watering the plants, doing a couple of deep cleaning projects that I don't normally do when I clean, but I just wanted to share it with you. Today's video is sponsored by Grove Collaborative, and if you don't know what that is, it is a natural home, personal care, and beauty subscription box. I personally love it because they carry my two favorite natural brands, Mrs. Meyer's and Method, so I am a big fan. But I also love it because it's making natural living a lot more affordable and accessible. It ships straight to your door. The subscription is completely customizable. It ships every 30 days. And they have all my favorite things, so I'm always stocking up. And if you are a new customer this month, they are offering a bundle by Mrs. Meyer's with their holiday scent, which you guys know I get really excited about the Mrs. Meyer's holiday scents. So you will get a dish soap in the scent of your choice, a hand soap, you guys know I love the hand soaps, and a multi-surface cleaning spray. I love this stuff. And you have your choice of scent. You can get peppermint, Iowa pine, or orange clove. And you will also get this adorable red caddy to carry all your cleaning products in as you're cleaning around the house. I think it's super festive and cute looking. You will also receive a Grove Walnut Scrubber Sponge if you are a new customer, but if you're already an existing customer, you will still get a freebie. You will get a set of the Grove Walnut Scrubber Sponges. So all you have to do is click the link below, sign up, and when you place your first order of $20 or more, you will get this free set to help you clean. Today we're going to start in the bedroom as usual. I don't know, I always start in the bedroom, but I am going to make the bed, and I'm actually just going to refresh the sheets a little bit by using my Lush Twilight. It's actually a body spray, but I like to use it on my pillows and in my sheets. I turn on the twinkle lights, and then I am making my bed, you know, easy peasy. I do this every day. I think it makes you have a better day. And then I'm going to diffuse some oil. I normally diffuse lavender in the bedroom, but lately I've been diffusing this eucalyptus globus. Young Living offers 3 different eucalyptus ones, and I haven't tried all 3, but I've heard that this one is like the most eucalyptus-y one, if that makes sense, like the most traditional eucalyptus one, which I love it. I think it smells amazing. It smells like you're in a spa. And then I'm also going to light my Yankee Candle spiced pumpkin candle. I've quit candles for the most part, but I can't during the fall. So I am also going to be cleaning the windows today. I cleaned out the little window tracks, and I cleaned the shutters, or the blinds, whatever you want to call them, and then I cleaned the actual windows themselves. It just gets dusty, and it's approaching time where the weather is cooling down, and we love to have the windows open, so I am just cleaning them up. And I'm also putting some peppermint oil in the lining of the windows to keep out bugs. I've heard that it keeps out spiders and bugs, so we're going to try it out. And I am just dusting the blinds, and yeah, cleaning the windows. Not something I normally do, but something that needs to be done. Then I am going to dust and clean all the furniture, of course, with my Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. It's a beautiful almond scent. It is my favorite. It is the product that got me into Method products to begin with. So then I'm just going to wipe that down and then put everything back. I decided that this aloe vera has like outgrown this little perch, so I'm moving it to the living room where it can have more space, putting back my little amethyst candle holder, and then moving on to the bedside table. I lost my words there for a moment, but same as always, just dusting and then cleaning with the wood spray. And I like to get down and dust like the bottom of the furniture as well. And then I'm taking my little duster buster that I got for my bridal shower, and I am vacuuming the headboard. This is something I like to do because it's white, it's made out of fabric, so it can get dirty, so I will vacuum it with the duster buster, and then I will use a lint roller, and it gets it nice and clean. So yeah, and I get a lot of questions about my headboard. I got it on a Black Friday sale from Wayfair.com. We've ordered, I think, 3 things from Wayfair. The other 2 I'm not impressed with, but that headboard was like the deal of a lifetime. It is amazing. I love it so much. So yeah, I am just continuing to dust everything else. Then I'm going to wipe down the mirrors. I am still using Windex. I'm going to use this up and then look for a natural alternative or make my own. Then I am going to vacuum. I decided to vacuum as I go today just because I hate vacuuming, so I'm going to break it up. Do you know what I mean? And I'm using my big vacuum today. We did get the handheld, or not the handheld, the cordless vacuum, but I busted out the big one today. So after that, the bedroom is all nice and tidy and clean, and we are moving on to the bathroom. So I am starting by taking down the old towels. Time to change those out. Then I'm going to clean the mirrors in the bathroom. Same old Windex, same old same. These mirrors get so gross, and it's not my fault. It's my husband's fault. I don't do it, he does. I don't even know what he does to get it so dirty, but he does something. And then I'm moving on to clean the counters. I'm using my Method Anti-Bac Cleaner in Wildflower. This is my all-time favorite bathroom cleaner. I love the scent. It has a strong flower scent, but it's not like a strong bathroom cleaner scent that gives you a headache, if that makes any sense. So I'm just cleaning off the counter, and then I am dusting my Lush Bath Bomb little jar. And then I am going to clean off this little tray that I like to keep my soap and what's it called? Toothbrush holder in. And I'm also going to clean the toothbrush holder as well. I like to clean it with dish soap every couple of weeks because it gets kind of gross in there. And then I'm moving on to the other side of the bathroom, just moving out the tissue box and the pumpkins and all that. And same old same, just cleaning the counter, getting the sink. I like to plug up the sink and get it nice and clean. The paint is scratched, that's why it looks kind of dirty. But I promise it's clean. Then I'm putting everything back. I'm dusting the little pumpkins. I'm going to leave these out until Christmas because they're still fall-ish, you know. And then I'm going to I'm going to cut the wick first. This is something I like to do, is go around the house and cut all the wicks to the candles. But this is a Trader Joe's vanilla pumpkin candle. It's a soy candle and I love it. It's amazing. They smell great and the burn time is pretty good. So then I'm going to clean the toilet. I do use the Clorox stick wand thingies. Not a natural product, but an amazing product. And then I'm going to clean the rest of the toilet with my wildflower cleaner yet again. And then I'm going to take up the mats. I'm actually going to wash all of the mats today, so I'm taking those up. I'm going to do a shower cleaning DIY. As you can see, the bottom of my shower head is disgusting. So I'm going to take white vinegar in a bag mixed with water, and I'm just going to tie it around the shower head, and I'm going to leave it to sit as I vacuum the bathroom. Trust me, I'll show you the after. So then I'm using the cordless vacuum to vacuum up the bathroom. Just get under the trash can over by the toilet. Just, you know, it's mostly my hair on the floor in there, let's be real. Then I'm going to use my Swiffer sweeper. I don't know what this is called, but I'll link it down below because it's amazing. They come with dry pads and wet pads, and I used to have the other two, the Swiffer Vac and the Swiffer Wet Jet, and I much prefer this thing. It just does an amazing job. So then I took off the vinegar and water thing, and I'm just going to clean behind where the shower caddy usually is because it's never down. So I'm like, hey, let me clean that. And again, I'm just using the Wildflower Anti-Bac cleaner in there. There I am. And then I'm going to put the shower caddy back and organize all the products. I promise I'll show you a close-up of the shower head in a moment. I don't know why I edited it this way, but this is who I am. So here we go. So I am putting everything back in the shower, and in case you were nosy, here is a look at what we have in our shower right now. I would love to see what's in other people's showers, so I decided to show you. And there you go. At the bottom you can see all the pink grime is gone. And now I am putting fresh new towels out. We just get white towels at Costco. I love them so much. And then after that, everything is nice and clean and sparkling, and the bathroom feels so good when it's clean. That's like one of my favorite things to have clean. It's just life-changing. So yeah, and my cute little mint. Now moving on to the living room, I am of course going to diffuse some oils. I have my Desert Mist diffuser in the living room, which is my favorite. And if you guys don't know this, I am a Young Living distributor, so if you're interested, you can leave me a comment down below. I also just started an oils Instagram. It's essentially Amy with 3 L's. I haven't posted anything on it yet, but if you want to go follow it, that's going to be the hub for oils from now on. But I'm diffusing Citrus Fresh, and if you wanted to see what was in that oils cabinet, I just did a declutter video of it. I will link it up in the corner if you're nosy and want to see what's in my cabinet. But yeah, I am just dusting all the wood furniture using that Method Wood for Good. I am putting the mat in the center so I can wash it with the other mats, and then I am just dusting the bookshelf, dusting the DVDs, the clock, the frames, floofing the couch. Nikki and Dan Philippi gave me a new Don't Freak It's Faux blanket for our wedding. Well, I said me, but it's our blanket, but yeah, I love it. I'm so excited about it. And then I took up another mat, and I'm going to start a laundry load, wash all of our mats so they're nice and fluffy. And then I am going to vacuum. I am using the big vacuum again. I like the big vacuum for that center rug. And then I am using the Swiffer again, and I love this thing because as you can see, I can get way under furniture and it dusts so nicely. Oh, and I just wanted to show you a little drawing Bradley did of our wedding venue, and then this amazing wedding gift we got from my friend Jordan that has the stars on the night of our wedding. I loved that gift so much. Then I am moving to the other diffuser, and again, I'm going to diffuse Citrus Fresh. This is oh no, I can't remember what this diffuser is called, but I love this one as well. I just ordered another one for the office, and I ordered another Desert Mist for the bedroom. So yeah, I am dusting this one as well, dusting the mirror. Oh hey, and yeah, just dust, dust, dust. And then I'm moving to the table. Our kitchen table can kind of be a mess. It's kind of a place where we dump a lot of crap we don't know where else to put, and we're really working on that so we can always have a clear, clean space for eating. So I'm just going through the things on the table. I had some mail to sort out, some random snacks to put away, just an overall random assortment of things. I had just gotten a shipment from Lush. They sent me some of their Christmas stuff, which I'll be doing a video on later in life, I promise.
Honey, I'm filming cleaning the table. We got some honey bunches of oats.
Apparently Bradley was unaware that I was filming, but I made him move. So before I cleaned the table, I did want to move this succulent into my cute little mushroom pot that I bought a couple weeks ago, and I just haven't repotted it. So I did that. And while I watered that, I am cleaning the table. I did get some dirt on the floor, but I'm going to wipe that up in a second, and you'll see Bradley come over and help me. We had some paint on the table from where Bradley was painting pumpkins. So I cleaned the table, put the fruit bowl back, and then I'm going to vacuum up the dirt and just everything else from the floor. So vacuuming that up with the cordless vacuum. I do love that cordless vacuum. It's life-changing. Then I'm using the Duster Buster to vacuum the little windowsill because I had a plant there previously and it died. And then I am going to add the peppermint oil to this windowsill as well. And then I'm just going to put my little air plant in my cute little pink pot, and then the succulent we just potted up. And I just love my little windowsill plants. They make me so happy. And look, aren't they cute? And that succulent looks pretty happy, and I just love the green and the red together. Then I am moving to the kitchen, and I am putting away dishes. You will see a lot of the crap in this kitchen if I ever get around to filming my wedding gift haul, which I will do, I promise. I really want to do it, so you'll see me do that. I did clean the little utensils holder, and I'm just putting everything away. You know, dishes is usually Bradley's job. I hate putting away dishes, so he's kind enough to, like, that's kind of his job. But today I did it because I had a lot of dishes in the sink that I needed to clean, so I needed the space in the dishwasher, so that's what's happening. So I am cleaning all the dishes. We have some hand wash stuff as well, so I'm setting that aside to dry it. We had a little celebration the night before for my sister, so that explains all the tiny plates. We had some cake. So yeah, and then I'm going to just hand dry the stuff that needed to be hand washed. We have a lot of hand wash stuff with all the new wedding gifts, and I want to keep things nice, so I don't mind. Then I'm moving on to cleaning the kitchen, and I'm using my Method All-Purpose Honey Crisp Apple Scented Spray. I love this stuff, and I am just giving the counter a good wipe down. I'm going to also clean the sink, and I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner. I love this stuff. It's really cheap. It smells really good. It's like lemon verbena, I think is the scent, and it just makes all your appliances really shiny. I also like to use this in the bathtub as well, and it just smells good, gets it nice and clean and shiny, and I just love that. I don't use it every time I clean the sink, obviously, but when I'm doing a deep clean, I like to use that. So then I just rinse that off and then use a paper towel to dry it off, and then I am using my Young Living Thieves oil. This has become my new favorite kitchen oil. There can be some nasty scents in the kitchen, just like with the trash can or down the garbage disposal in the dishwasher, and that literally eliminates all nasty scents. It doesn't mix with them, it covers them up. So I just ran out of that bottle. I just ordered another one. I love the Thieves. I finally come around to the Thieves. So I am moving to the other side, cleaning the counter and cleaning the stove, my least favorite thing to do. But the day before I filmed this, it was Halloween, and I decorated some sugar cookies, so there was some icing all over the stove that had melted, so I had to get that up. But yeah, just cleaning the stove, and I hate cleaning the stove, but it's always so nice when it's done, so I can't complain too much. I have my little gourd pot, which I love, and my little utensils jar, both from Pioneer Woman. And yeah, these are my cute little towels. One is Pioneer Woman, one is from Anthropology. I got it for the wedding. And this is the pantry. I am loving the organization, so I just wanted to show you a pan of that. Then I am taking the rug. I don't wash that one because I washed it once and it kind of dried weird, so I'm afraid to wash it again, so I just keep it clean with the vacuum. But I am vacuuming up and then using the Swiffer thingamabobber again. My favorite, and in a second you will see how much dirt I got up off the floor even after vacuuming, so that is disgusting. I also snipped some herbs from my garden and I put them in this little jar so that when I'm cooking I don't have to go outside to get the herbs I want, so that's parsley and basil. And then we had a watering party for all my plants. I got some new plants in the office. I'm just trimming off any dead little areas from that one. And then I'm bringing over some other plants and we're just gonna have a bath time party. So I just like to put them all in the sink, give them a nice good watering, leave them in the sink so they can drain. And yeah, I also wanted to show you this new plant that I got. It is gorgeous and I don't know what it is, and I spent more money on it than I normally spend on houseplants, but it is amazing. I don't know what it's called, but it's got these pink leaves and these pink stems. Isn't that amazing? And it's very low light and low watering. So I was like, even if I spend a little more, it was $20, it wasn't that expensive. But for a plant, I'm like, damn. But I love it. It makes me so happy. So yeah, after that, you guys, that is it. The home is all nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, or just let me know down below if you like these kinds of videos. I love making them. I love watching them. So if you guys want to see them, I am happy to do them. Don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative in the link down below. I love you guys. I will see you very soon in a new video, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.